Hey y'all, so I just came on here to show something real quick that I have noticed. It seemed like this might be my strategy. So this is something I noticed last week and then now I'm noticing this week. So I, so last week, okay, I realized something like I had this like I guess kind of like confluence trading now. So what I mean by that is like I used the last I used this the previous day's low and then this was like last week's low, right? So this is basically my area of value, and then we have the numbers, the major round numbers, and then the moving average and the candlestick. So this morning I woke up, I saw that oil have formed this candlestick, so I figured like it was probably making like a higher high. Since this is like the current low of the week, so I figured like price was making a higher high, and I was here on a 4 hour, and so I said to myself, if this candle, this was like the 4 hour candle, this one, so I was like, if this candle closes above, then I'm going to get in for a buy. But so I was gonna wait. I had like maybe like 45 minutes or something, right, to wait for the 4 hours to close. But I didn't wait. I got in. I got in on the 1 hour as soon as this candle came down. This as soon as this candle came down here, and I got in. But as you can see, the candle closed bearish right there. Okay, and it also gave me this pin hammer, which is my confirmation too. But I was like, because I see on the 4 hour is it looks like it's making like a lower high, higher high or whatever. But also, like I said, this I was still here when this candlestick closed, right? Obviously, this is like a an evening star, right? On the 4 hour in my area of value, and the moving average is in a downtrend. Even so, the moving average on the daily is in a downtrend as well. The moving average on the 4 hour is in a downtrend, and the moving average on the 1 hour is also in a downtrend. 3 time frames going down, and I still choose to counter trend. So yeah, this is something I'm still working on, but that's not the point of this video. Really, the point of this video is like after this I realized, and I was waiting for price to hit my target, so like I could see maybe my theory is right. So what I saw is 4 confluences. Okay, so confluence number one, it was in my area of value, which was the previous day's low and previous day's high. There was it was also at a major round number, which is 80.00, and price have well, and the moving average is in a downtrend. Obviously, the 3 time frames, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, were all in a downtrend. And then price have formed a huge bearish candlestick on the moving average. So not just one, but one, two, it have formed, and then now three. So I figure going forward, this is something I should look for, these kind of confluences. So this is like pretty much 5 confluences for me to go down, and I didn't, right? So I think that going forward is something I need to look at. And also I saw this on NAS too, and so I took this trade in the right direction. So if you can see, price is in my area of value. I was waiting, if I figured like if price had broken this structure, then it was going to go down. So I didn't. I saw this up here, and usually back then when I first started using this strategy, whatever, I would see this and then like a counter trend. But then I'm still trying. I'm still learning. So price was in my area of value. That's confluence number one. Price was around what's this called, a round number, right? And then price is in the moving average is in the uptrend, and then price have formed uh huge bullish candle here. But even before then, I saw this coming. Like I saw this candlestick pattern 1 2 3 engulfing. Like this is something I look for, right? But it was also in line with the moving average. But I didn't get in. Like you, if I had waited for this 1 hour candle to close, I would have gotten in here at the opening of this candle, of this red candle. I have gotten in right there. But I didn't wait. I actually came down as this candlestick was forming. I was like, okay, if this candlestick like go up, right? If this candlestick is bullish, then I am going to buy. But I didn't wait actually. So I came on a 15 minute. Let me see, go back to 15 minute. So yeah, I came on a 15 minute, and then I saw this. Like I saw that price had already made a pin hammer and then an engulfing. This three candlestick pattern is good for me. So I got in around here at this candle. I got in around here, and then I just left it. So as you can see, price closed above, and it is still going above. So yeah, my theory on this. So yeah, I saw this trade actually after this US 30 trade. So I was just waiting for this US 30 trade to confirm my analysis. I was waiting for FTMO because I saw that price had closed below this low on trading view, but on FTMO, like, it was taking so long. Let me see if I can show you guys. So as you guys can see on this screenshot, this is my screenshot from FTMO. Price, like, it wasn't until like this candle, right, that price had closed below this low. I wish I could show my actual MT4, but I don't know how to do that right now, so I'm just gonna leave that because I'm filming from my iPad, so I don't have a camera. But anyway, yeah, so but on MT4, this candle, I'm sorry, on TradingView, this candle had taken out this low like probably like 30 minutes before, and with FTMO it was still like, it took a while before it could even come down. So I actually closed the trade. I think I closed this trade like down here, up here, because I had seen on MT4 that price had already come down. I had seen on MT4 that price had already come down. So I was like, yeah, it's going to come down eventually on FTMO, since it seemed like FTMO is lagging. So yeah, so that's something for you guys to check out, because FTMO is kind of slower than MT4. So just FYI. So anyway, like I was saying, FTMO was slow, so I was waiting for this candle to close, and now that it closed on FTMO, it confirmed my analysis that this is what I should be doing. So like I said, going forward, yeah, going forward, I'm going to try doing this, try this strategy, or try looking for like confluences in my trading. And yeah, hopefully that will stop me from counter trend trading, and also it can help me, I guess, keep me from losing. So yeah, I didn't get into gold this morning because, so this is just like trades I didn't get in, but I didn't get into gold because I tried to work from the highs and the lows. So I came on this chart. This happened at 1 a.m. So I was sleeping. So I was on my chart at 6:30 Central Time, which is like 7:30. So around here I came on the chart. But it was already up here, right? And it wasn't down here. So it was just in the middle. I don't like to trade in the middle. So I was like, I'm just not going to trade gold today, because it's not my really like my strategy or what I trade. So I left gold, and as you can see, it hasn't really, like 8 9 10 11, like 4 hours, it hasn't really gone anywhere. So, and then with US 30, I also did not trade US 30. I don't know why this keeps doing this. I also did not trade US 30 because when I came on a chart, this is for 6:37. Okay, so 7, it was just here. But I don't know. I wanted it to come more into my box, and it did come into my box, but it didn't give me anything really to go off of. Like, it didn't give me like an engulfing candle or anything like a green. I wanted to see at least a green candle, and then like a bearish engulfing, but it didn't give me that. Let me see on the 4 hour. Yeah, there was nothing really. It was just like continuing. So I didn't feel comfortable to take this trade, even though like um I guess the 4 hour was in a downtrend, and then let me see the daily if I close this. No. Okay, yeah, the daily is not really in like in terms of like the moving average is not really in a downtrend, but I just wasn't comfortable taking this trade at all, so I didn't take it. But yeah, so those are my two trades. Hopefully, this NAS trade plays out, and I don't like it doesn't reverse or whatever. But we'll see. So yeah, those are the two trades I took today. One loser, and so far one I don't know winning. So we'll see. If price comes to this low, and I don't know, depending on what it does, then I might take it down. But I don't think I'm gonna get into another trade until like maybe in the next 4 hours or so. Or let me see, the 4 hour ends in like an hour and a half. But still, I don't think that'll be enough time to really do anything. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I just wanted to come on there and show this strategy that might be working for me, or that might be something that I can focus on and use going forward for my entries. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.